Now please wait by the naughty one. Santa Claus is welcome. We began our journey deep in the South American rainforest. We are on the Amazon River. Do you know why Santa Claus loves the rainforest? Well, it's because Santa loves rain, dear. You will notice giant insects on either side of the boat. These insects are humbugs. If you listen, you can hear their call. I thought so. They're humbugs. Now listen up. If you should feel itchy on the Jingle cruise, that's probably our Fleas Navidad. I hope you enjoy some of our exotic flowers and plants collected from South America, Africa, and Asia. For example, our bamboo grows to be as high as 6 stories. Some people say 7, but that's another story. We are now in the deepest, darkest part of Central Africa. We are on the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Oh, let me ask you this. How many of you have seen the Jungle Book? Good, good. Now, for those of you who have not seen the Jungle Book, there it is. Well, I can see what the villagers are getting for the holidays. Canoe? Oh, look at that. Somebody's getting a tree wrapped with a bow on top. Now don't stare at him or he may get a crush on you. We're going to stop by our camp. Oh no, we have unexpected visitors. I couldn't get that Jeep started this morning, but Dave turned it over. They've just gone ape. We are now on the Nile River in Africa, and ahead is an African elephant. Speak to us. Speak to us, please. Good, louder. Now spray the boat with water. Oh, he doesn't think we need the water. There's an African veldt. There are wildebeests, impalas, zebras, giraffes, animatronic ducks. Oh, look up on the rocks how sweet. The lion's giving the zebra a bath. Party could not outrun the rhino. Ooh, I would not want to be the low man on that totem pole. That looks like some of our airdrop cargo we were missing yesterday. Just ahead is Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. There are other adventures along the Jungle River, like monsoons, rapids, and, oh no, I got it too close. That was close. For a second I thought I would deck the falls, but folks not holding. Jungle Aviation Supply is having a sale. We got half off on the plane. Watch out, it's a hippo pulling in. Please keep your arms, legs, and favorite family members on that boat. Oh no, the hippos are charging. It's a good thing I have this gun here. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Wow, that was scary. I heard that we have local art and craft up ahead today. Wait a minute, that looks like Captain Art out front there and his craft. I heard they came out here to get their heads together. It's supposed to be 12 drummers drumming. Oh no, not again. Okay guys, Halloween is over, let it go. Now there's a sight rarely seen. It's the backside of eggnog. We are now in Southeast Asia, deep in Cambodia. We're on the mighty Mekong River. You may not have noticed, but a vicious Bengal tiger has been stalking us along the beach. I know because he has Santa Claus. But don't worry, during the holidays, the Bengal tiger hangs up his stuff. That looks like some more of our airdrop cargo that missed its target. Bathing pool, the Indian elephant, a smaller cousin of the African elephant. I just learned the real difference between an alligator and a crocodile. Listen, an alligator will see you later, a crocodile after a while. That's both out there under the waterfall, and down in front are her two little skirts. All they want for Christmas are their 2 front teeth. Oh no, don't squirt it. Don't do it. Wow, it's a good thing he forgot the package from that trip. Here I like to point out a few of my favorite plants. Let's see up there. That's Sarah. Over here, those 2 setters. Did you see me plant setters? Hey, you know what the scariest plant in the jungle is? Bamboo! That's the bamboo jungle. Now here on the left is Trader Sam. Sam is the head salesman of the jungle, and he loves attention. Hi, Sam. You look great, Sam. Maybe with some white hair, you could be Santa Claus. We're now about to enter the most dangerous part of our journey, our return to the stampede of holiday shoppers. If you look over in this direction now, you're going to see a strange phenomenon. There's a dock on the left and another dock on the right. We call that a paradox.
It's like an arcade.
Can anybody tell me how much Santa Claus had to pay for his sleigh? Nothing, it was on the house. How can you tell if Santa Claus is inside the house? Well, you can sense his presence. I have a knock-knock joke. Knock-knock. Owls. Yes, they do. Please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And watch your children until we stop alongside the pier. Please don't give in to peer pressure.